And so it begins.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls from around the world, the Inner Circle of the Punxsutawney Groundhog Club welcomes you to the 129th Groundhog Day here at Gobblers Knob. Have you had a good time so far? We need a little help this year. What we're going to do is we're going to do the world's largest... We're going to do the world's largest selfie. So after we get Phil out, we want you to help us do a selfie, and we're going to send it around the world with your picture in it. Then, right after that, get your camera phones out because we want you to take a selfie of us and send it around the world. Let me introduce the Inner Circle, but first, is it 6 more weeks of winter? Or is spring just around the corner? Only the great Oz of weather forecasting knows. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to get serious about the weather. Let me introduce the Inner Circle to you. Keith Shields, head hailmaker. Bob Roberts, his protector. Jeff Groove, sky painter. Tom Dunkel, shingle shaker. John Johnson, chief health man. And the gentleman who brought you all the rain today, Rainmaker. Butch Burschnock, cold front. Tom Uberti, big windmaker. Our temperature keeper, Jason Bresky, the Big Chill. Thunder conductor, Dave Gelati. Ron Plaucha, co-handler. John Griffiths, co-handler. Ladies and gentlemen, a warm round of applause for the president of the Punxsutawney Groundhog Club, Bill Dealey. Faithful followers of Phil, there's many of you today. What's going to happen here in a few moments, I'm going to take this cane that has been passed down from president to president. It does give me the power when it is in my hand to speak Groundhogese. We're going to attempt to get it right this year. And with this cane, I will tap on the doors. We'll have my co-handlers get Phil out and show him to the world. But before we do that, we have to wake Phil up. And how do we wake Phil up? We do the Phil chant. Phil! 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 Okay, ladies and gentlemen, well, I'm going to introduce you to the man of the hour here in just a second. Phil, it's time to appear.
Watch him run. Be like sailors and run away. Doesn't want to come out. Just hold him away.
I don't blame him.
Phil's a little angry this year. I'm not sure what that means. But ladies and gentlemen, here he is. He's our buddy, Punxsutawney Phil.
All these people.
All right, guys, we're going to do your selfie. You ready? Get your towels ready. Get your face smiling. Get those signs up. All right, how about you? You want one of us?
Yeah!
Get your camera phones out right now. Go ahead.
You okay?
Yeah, that's something.
All right, send that out there. Sorry about that. Ladies and gentlemen, I have here somewhere 2 scrolls that have been prepared. One scroll says 6 more weeks of winter. And the other scroll says spring is just around the corner. Bill's going to talk to Phil, and we're going to find out here. Phil, you're a little feisty here this morning. I see you shivering. Look me in the eyes, buddy. Tell me what it is. Ouch, 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 ouch. We're biting. Do we want to go back in for 6 more weeks, or are you staying back out? You tell me. Okay.
Oh, there it is.
Cubs, here comes.
6 more weeks of winter.
Hear ye, hear ye, hear ye. Now this 2nd day of February, Candlemas Day in the year 2015, being the 129th annual trek of the Inner Circle of the Punxsutawney Groundhog Club, Gobblers Knob, Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania, United States of America. Punxsutawney Phil, seer of seers, prognosticator of all prognosticators, was awakened from his burrow at 7:25 or around then, by his handlers John Griffiths and Ron Plaucha, and by the cheers of his thousands of steadfast, yeah! Phil waved to his fans, gazed at the sky and around his stump, and with the help of the Inner Circle and their large, rain-filled crowd, looked for a shadow. Majestically speaking in Groundhogese, he directed President Bill Daley to the precise goal, which reads, "Forecast abound on the internet, but I, Punxsy Phil, am still your best bet." Yes, a shadow I see. You can start the Twitter. Hashtag 6 more weeks of winter.
We got it.
Well, keep your shovels out. Looks like 6 more weeks of winter.
It's snowshoes.
What we do now is, Phil's got to entertain the media for a little bit. You're welcome to stay. What we're eventually going to do here in about 5 minutes is we're going to allow you to get a picture of Phil as long as we can, as long as Phil can cooperate. What we'll do is
It's
we'll
nice
put
and
Phil
windy.
up on the
Nice,
stump
windy,
in
and cold.
his plexiglass cage so you can get a picture.
See you guys later.
The way we're going to do this is